How I found my drone after it forcibly landed. First of all, start the DJI Fly app, that one. The profile won't work until you enable location. So swipe down, enable location. Now tap on profile. And here's find my drone. And there it is, and there is the last recorded location. If you tap on those coordinates, copy the last recorded location. So just tap and hold on it and it copies it into the clipboard. Now open, let's say, Google Maps, and up there paste in the last location, or tap and hold here and paste this there also. It will paste the same code and search. And directions, let's give it internet also. Yes, it's here. I'm in a different place right now, but it directed me onto a path, and luckily it was close to a road, so I barely had to walk a little bit. And that's how I found my drone after it crash landed because of very strong winds.